Hi, we'll be solving an inequality problem today. So if square root of x square plus 3 multiplied by square root of x square minus 1 is less than 0, and we need to find the value of square root of x square. Now the problem looks complex, but since they have square root of x square in the question and even in the option choices, so we can actually replace square root of x square with y. Now if we do that, we can reduce the problem to y plus 3 multiplied by y minus 1 is less than 0. Now we can use a concept called as sine wave method in order to solve this problem. So if you look at the points, this is the point 1 and this is the point minus 3. So we can plot them on the number line and we can draw a sine curve starting from right top, going below and then going up from here. All the points which are above the number line and below the graph, we can write plus sign. And all the points below the number line and above the graph, we can write minus sign. Since the equation is saying less than 0, so the minus region will be our answer. So we can say that y lies between 1 and minus 3. Now, if we do that and replace y with square root of x squared, so that will give us the solution to the problem. So that means square root of x square lies between 1 and minus 3, and answer will be option number A. Now, if you want to master the concepts of inequality and the sine wave method, do check out the videos provided in the description of this video where I teach you those concepts from scratch. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.